Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix VTech baby monitor night vision not working. So, if you are encountering this frustrating issue, so worry not, you are not alone. Many users have encountering this same issue. So, to fix that issue, you can follow these some simple ongoing instructions. So, the first fix is check your night vision setting. Check your VTech baby monitor settings to ensure that night vision stay on so that you have constant surveillance of your baby. To do, you can simply press the menu button on your parent unit and press one of the arrow button to enter the setting menu and then press select. Press the up or down arrow and select camera settings and press the up or down arrow to switch on your night vision and press select. Fix 2. Check your VTech baby monitor battery. Ensure that the battery is properly installed and connected to the parent unit. Look for the battery icon in the upper right corner of the display and check the installation of the power adapter, both at the electric outlet and parent unit. So, the electric outlet should not be controlled by a switch. A full charge take approximate 12 hours. Fix 3. Check your VTech baby monitor power cable. Make sure that the power cables are securely connected to both the parent unit and the baby unit. Fix 4. Contact customer support. So, if none of the above steps work, it's time to contact with a VTech customer support for further assistance. You can simply contact them by using his official website is vtech.com/contact form. Here you will simply generate a query by using a form and after that click on submit. After that wait for some times and the customer associative will connect with you and they will fix your issue and also they can replace your baby monitor baby if it's under a warranty. So and that's all. So if you found this video helpful, so please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.